Hello, are you having a hard time financing a real estate investment project, whether it's just a fix and flip, or maybe it's a home that you've identified and you need to close quickly initially in order to secure the property so someone else doesn't get it and you need money fast? Well, these are just a couple of examples of why you might be needing a private money lender. And private money lenders are different in many ways. Not only do they not require the usual documentation and applications and credit score checks and all the other things that you might encounter with a regular mortgage lender, but sometimes a private money lender can become a trusted source for that you could use for other projects. And then once they get comfortable with you, they're more apt to want to lend you money for other deals that you might be looking to do. Now, a private money lender can be something as simple as your neighbor, friends, relatives. It gets a little dangerous when you bring friends and relatives into the situation. If you have the opportunity to lose their money, that's not going to sit well with everyone at the Thanksgiving dinner table. But there are a lot of people right now that are either losing money or not earning any money in the stock market or with their other investments. And if you're able to promise them a return, a guaranteed return, then it might be interesting enough for them, especially if on the first deal you start small. Now, there are some other private money lenders that are not just your friends and your relatives, and I'm going to leave a link in the first description, in the first pinned comment to our article on nonprimelenders.com. There you're going to be able to find a very short list of a couple of other lenders that you can check with, but either way, you just complete the short quote form on the website, and we'll be able to get this all figured out for you and get you a quote. So now you can use this type of product for, like I said, fix and flips, long-term hold purchases, but this loan is still temporary, so it's going to help you if you're trying to make an initial purchase fast. Bridge loans, cash out refinances where you might be looking for a second lien to cash out a little bit of extra money when maybe the other lenders will not go as high as you need on the loan to value ratio. So there are various options where private money lending can help. Now, these mortgages will typically have and come with higher interest rates, but you negotiate that. You negotiate that with them because it's not like a standard rate sheet that a normal lender will have. And don't be afraid to pay more in interest and fees, because in the end, when you look at it, if you're going to make $100,000 on the flip and you need to pay a couple $1,000s more for either interest or fees, I think that's just fine. You're still making quite a bit of money and it's still worth it versus not doing the deal at all. So again, private money lenders, they're everywhere. They are in your neighborhood. They're in your family. But if you do want to speak with a couple of other private money lenders that have been doing this a while that are not familiar to you, then again, just visit the article down below at nonprimelenders.com. I'm going to link it in the first pinned comment and in the description. Appreciate you watching, and we will see you next time.